Are you an HP Aruba Networking Central on-premises administrator? If so, you need to prepare for the HP Release Service Pack upgrade. This service pack consists of firmware and other drivers for components like power controller, NIC, and ILO 5. It fixes known vulnerabilities, provides security updates, and additional features. Keeping ILO to the latest service pack improves reliability and performance of the servers. Before you start installing the service pack, you must first download the new ILO service pack from HP Support Portal. You can download the Custom Patch Service Pack by HP from SPP Custom Download. Before proceeding to COP ILO installation, your COP server should meet a few minimum criteria regarding server components as mentioned in the slide. Please note the supported service pack version as mentioned. Additionally, the SP-ISO image can be hosted on the web server for a fast and simultaneous installation. After downloading the service pack versions and meeting other prerequisites, you must follow a few steps to install the ILO service pack as mentioned in the upcoming slides. Log into the ILO with COP ILO user, and then log in to COP through the console with COP admin user. Select option 4 System Configuration, and then select option 9 Upgrade ILO using Service Pack. Select option 1 Trigger ILO Upgrade using Service Pack and enter Yes. Wait for the system to move to shutdown state and install the Service Pack ISO. Remember, the Service Pack installation has a downtime period of 1 hour for each node in the cluster. You can validate post-service pack installation through HP Aruba Networking Central on-premises CLI. By following these steps, you can upgrade your HP Aruba Networking Central on-premises nodes with ease. Thank you for watching. For any queries or feedback, you can always write to us at hp-aruba-techub-india@hp.com.